Hi everyone, my name is Pawan Kumar Muntha. So before joining GUVI, I was just working for a company called HD MacTech IT as a Java developer. One day, I was just browsing through Instagram. I got to know about GUVI, and I thought of giving it a try and joined GUVI. After joining GUVI, my world about development completely changed since they trained me to develop the applications from the scratch, which is very important for any developer to which is a very important skill for any developer to possess. And also they made me do some projects like Google Clone, Facebook, Google Clone, YouTube Clone, and all these things. And finally, they placed me in a company called Zest Money, which is a product-based company. So my word is that if you are looking to upskill yourself, or if you're looking to work in product based companies, you can join GUVI and you can give it a try. Thank you everyone.